another summer SOS question. Here it is. Lo, how do I conquer wet bathing suit syndrome down there? Honey, I have the solutions, the life-changing formulas that work at the microbiome level. Here they are, the Killer and Flora Power. So the Killer supports a healthy vaginal environment, calm, soothed vaginal health with the Killer. It helps to support balanced yeast levels in the vagina. Flora Power, this is so incredible for fresh vaginal odor and bacteria balance. Vitamin C and probiotics in this one, boric acid in this one. Why do the Killer and Flora Power work better than other brands? Well, our life-changing formulas work at the microbiome level, and that's because of our ingredient superiority. You are never gonna find fragrance, essential oils, weird fillers in our vaginal suppositories. If you're in a wet bathing suit, I know that you want a calm and soothed vaginal environment, and you also want to smell and feel fresh down there, aka the vaginal itch bundle.